The Google Pixel 11 Pro is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2026, and in this video, we're covering all the latest leaks, rumors, expected specifications, AI features, camera upgrades, pricing, and release date information. Google is expected to push smartphone innovation even further with the Pixel 11 Pro by introducing the powerful Tensor G6 chipset, a brighter and more efficient LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, enhanced AI capabilities powered by Android 17, and major improvements to photography and videography. If the latest leaks are accurate, the Pixel 11 Pro could become Google's smartest and most powerful smartphone ever. One of the biggest highlights is expected to be the upgraded camera system. Google has always been known for industry-leading computational photography, and the Pixel 11 Pro is expected to deliver even better low-light performance, sharper zoom capabilities, faster image processing, and advanced AI editing tools. Whether you're taking photos during the day or recording cinematic videos at night, the Pixel 11 Pro is expected to raise the bar once again. Performance is also expected to receive a major boost thanks to the next-generation Tensor G6 processor. Combined with Android 17, users can expect smoother multitasking, improved gaming performance, better battery optimization, stronger security features, and more intelligent on-device AI experiences. In this video, we also discuss the expected battery capacity, charging speeds, storage options, RAM variants, premium design, display quality, software features, launch timeline, and estimated pricing. We compare the Pixel 11 Pro with other flagship smartphones, including the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max, to see how Google's newest flagship could compete in the premium smartphone market. If you're planning to upgrade your phone in 2026, this video will help you decide whether the Google Pixel 11 Pro is worth waiting for. Google Pixel 11 Pro design, Tensor G6 performance, Android 17 features, AI camera upgrades, battery and charging, display improvements. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smartphone news, reviews, leaks, comparisons, and the latest technology updates. Will the Google Pixel 11 Pro become the best Android flagship of 2026? Let us know your opinion in the comments below.